Hello friends, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some spaghetti stir fry, and I'm very excited about this one because it's one of the easy recipes that anyone could easily learn how to make, and I bet you could make this in less than 20 minutes. So let's start already. Here are all the ingredients I will be using: some diced red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some green bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, fresh chili, the main ingredients, spaghetti, some sweet corn, cooked chicken breast, some tomato paste, green peas, red habanero pepper, blended ginger, some curry powder, powdered paprika, some seasoning, and of course some salt to taste. So first I boil some water in the cooking pot and add the spaghetti strands and then boil for about 5 minutes. While the spaghetti is boiling, I'll go ahead and cut the fresh tomatoes and fresh chili into blendable chunks and blend with the blender. I'll heat up my cooking pot and pour in some cooking oil and heat for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Now I'll add some salt and then pour in the sliced onions and saute them for a few minutes so that the onions flavor saturates into the oil before we now go in with the blended tomato mix. Cook for a few minutes. I'll stir this at short intervals so that the paste doesn't burn to the bottom of the pot, and at this point I would also reduce the heat as well. Next, I would add the tomato paste and the blended ginger paste and then saute until it's no longer slappy in taste. After some time, when it's almost fried, I would go in with the red habanero pepper. I added the pepper at the end because I can't stand the choking flavor of frying pepper. On another burner, I would heat up some cooking oil and then fry the already pre-cooked diced chicken breast until golden brown. Then I will transfer it into a plate. I'll reduce the oil and then add the sweet corn and green peas. Saute for like a minute and then some salt, some seasoning cube. I'll add the yellow, red and green bell pepper. Now I'll add the curry powder and paprika powder and saute for another 2 minutes. Now we go in with the fried chicken and then leave to cook for another 30 seconds. Back to the cooking tomato mix. I'll go in with the parboiled pasta and then transfer the sauteed vegetable into the mix and stir properly. Then we cover the pot and steam for another 1 minute, and our stir fry spaghetti is ready to serve. So this is how you make your most delicious spaghetti stir fry. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. I will see you again in my next episode.